Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you the lifting or jacking points. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will show you the front lifting point. I am on the driver front side, and if you go under the vehicle, right here you will see like a small cut-off area, right? You see it, and this is and you will place your jack on this thin rail right here. So try to wipe it. This car was just in a car wash. So this is where you will place your jack, and this applies to the front passenger side as well. Okay, now I am on the left rear side, and I will also show you. You will have same thing, cut-off area right here, and you'll place your jack just between here on this rail, and this again applies to the rear passenger side, so it's very easy to jack it up. Okay, now the jack will be located in the trunk area. You want to leave the bottom cover, and here is the spare tire, and the jack will be located under the spare tire, right? So what you want to do, you want to unscrew this, just turn it counterclockwise. Then you will have to remove the spare tire, and like I said, under the spare tire you will have your tools. You can even see them here through these small holes. I will not pull everything out, but yeah, this is where the jack is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.